Which synonym belongs to umbrage? The correct answer is miff. Which synonym belongs to propitiate? The correct answer is atone. Which synonym belongs to deviate? The correct answer is pervert. Which synonym belongs to sublime? The correct answer is sublimate. Which synonym belongs to skittish? The correct answer is jumpy. Which synonym belongs to embrace? The correct answer is surround. Which synonym belongs to infantile? The correct answer is milky. Which synonym belongs to heinous? The correct answer is abominable. Which synonym belongs to interregnum? The correct answer is recess. Which synonym belongs to parchment? The correct answer is bookfell. Which synonym belongs to admonish? The correct answer is chide. Which synonym belongs to exacting? The correct answer is acquisitive. Which synonym belongs to wane? The correct answer is decline. Which synonym belongs to blunt? The correct answer is brusque. Which synonym belongs to corner? The correct answer is autopsier. Which synonym belongs to distortion? The correct answer is disfigurement. Which synonym belongs to incur? The correct answer is encounter. Which synonym belongs to altruism? The correct answer is philanthropy. Which synonym belongs to deposition? The correct answer is desublimation. Which synonym belongs to porous? The correct answer is permeable.